Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Hyundai i30 SX hatch, stock reference number 4835. This shape runs from the 12th month 2007 through to the 4th month 2012. It has a 4G G4 GC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4 GC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has hail damage. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left front 15-inch steel rim, left guard, hail damage. Both left-hand doors also have hail damage, left power door mirror, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate also hail damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors and guard have hail damage as well. Right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black vinyl center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel without cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.